Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to create a Google Review QR code for your business. First of all, we open any browser, go to the search bar, and type Google Business Profile Manager. Then click on the first link. Once the site opens, go to the right side and click on Manage Now. And then click on Ask for Reviews. In this format, we can send the link of our business through WhatsApp, Facebook, and in the last email, but they will have to copy that. Copy it. Open a new tab, and type QR code monkey open. Go to the URL and paste the URL of your business. Then, go below. Click on Set Color. Select colors like single color, gradient, and customize color, and lastly, background color. After that, go below, click on Add Logo Image. You can upload an image after hitting the Upload button, or you can use any logo from here. Like that, I am clicking on Google. After that, go below, click on Customization Design. You can select the body shape, and then the frame shape. And lastly, the ball shape. Then, scroll up, click on Create QR Code. You can see your QR code is ready according to our customization. Then, you can see you can send the file by SVG, PDF, and EPS, and then there's a download button. You can download your QR code from here. Scroll up. You can see this is the final result for the QR code of our business profile. That's the way to create a Google Review QR code for your business. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.